If someone promises you overnight skin barrier repair, they're not talking about biology. You see, skin repair takes time, but marketing makes people feel like they're failing if the results aren't instant. Barrier recovery happens gradually through consistent lipid support and reduced stress on the skin. When people interrupt the process with constant changes, repair slows down. Skin barrier repair works best when expectations match biology. If you want formulas designed for long term repair, my barrier repair kit is linked below.